Oh, yeah. I guess he was about 5 metres. Yeah, I guess he was about 5 metres. Yeah. It's a big boy. I saw one up there today. Like, I flew 2Ks up there earlier. Yeah. What?
That's a 4K camera on it?
8K.
8K.
I modified this one. I didn't personally modify it, I got it modified, but it's 8K red. This one here, that is a...
Look how big it is.
It's a juvenile white. It is definitely feeding. It's looking for food.
Yeah.
It's still in circles, you can see it.
Yeah.
And like, you want a comparison shot? There it is, mate.
Yep.
Well, there's the beach where you get in, and there's your shark.
Yeah, yeah, I've just been watching the drone. How far out it is. That's for the shark.
Yeah.
So see how...
He's just jumping in that line.
See how this is particularly, hang on, bad example.
Yeah.
I'll come over
No,
here.
whenever you're ready, mate. It's recording, so I'll edit everything.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, one did one day when we were out here.
Okay. So see how it's particularly unclear, hard to see through that water there?
Yep.
If I go into my settings, flick it to manual, and adjust my shutter speed to a lower shutter speed, you can change the clarity of the water. If I change it to auto, that's its natural representation. If I change it to manual, that's an unnatural representation,
Right.
but higher clarity,
Right.
but much higher exposure on my surroundings.
Yeah.
If I flick it back to auto, my exposure lessens and I get all the detail in the background and the foreground of my image. I'll come in on top of him, ready?
Yep.
And you get some nice vision here because he's nice and close to the surface. Oh.
And that's the same one that was heading down, yeah?
Yeah, mate, yeah.
Yeah. Look at that, Jeff.
Yeah, excellent. Excellent. Geez, that just hovers so well. Just holds that angle, doesn't it?
Holds it, well, it's GPS locked.
Oh, right,
So
okay.
it's coordinate locked.
Gotcha.
So wherever I leave it, oh look, fucking...
Oh, they don't. The afternoon comes to a close in Forster, Tuncurry. Dolphins are surfing in. The sun's going down.